Welcome to Make It Happen Monday, your weekly dose from the Healthy Living School. Today, I want to share 3 delicious ways to radically improve your health. 1, eat more beans. Even right out of the can, this super affordable, super convenient wonder food is overflowing with nutritional firepower, just off the charts, particularly for weight control, gut health, and heart health. 2, get real. Always choose whole, real foods, courtesy of Mother Nature, over factory-made foods. The extraordinary triumph of optimal nutrition will blow your flippin' mind and can only be had from eating real foods. 3, sprinkle herbs and spices liberally into your dishes and meals. Herbs and spices house truly medicinal levels of phytochemicals at a fraction of the cost relative to meds and are effortless to dose, as in shake, shake. Think of herbs and spices as drugs that are cheap, safe, convenient, and highly effective, with the added bonus of improving the flavor of your foods.